Hey, it's Kip here. Well, it's a wonderful day, spring kind of day in mid-Michigan here. We're in mid-March right now. It's about 40 degrees, kind of a heat wave for us. And I thought I'd bring you guys along today on what I'm working on. It's been a while, but I want to produce some new videos for you guys to tune into and see what I've been up to. You're probably wondering what the heck could he possibly be working on now? Well, I've been wanting to do this project for quite some time now. And you know me, I like to do projects to save a buck or two and just to do something different. Well, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Today we're going to be working on building a kettle corn popper. That's right, guys. I know it sounds kind of weird, but you know, I've always loved kettle corn. I've been kind of doing some research on it and stuff like that, but I can't see spending $5,000 to $7,000 on a new unit. Am I gonna go out and make money with this thing? Possibly. If it turns into something, maybe I will build a bigger one or buy a bigger one, but I'm just gonna build an 80 quart popper. They're kind of the most popular entry type popper to get into, and but they're still a couple grand, and I just don't wanna do that. You know, I can fab, I can weld metal, I can metal fabricate and that kind of thing. So I'm gonna bring you guys along, show you what I'm gonna do. And I mean, I'm not gonna get into every specific cutting metal and welding and that kind of thing. I'll bring you guys in the stages of the next couple videos. You guys wanna tune in and check that out, that'd be great. But I'm gonna build this kettle corn machine for, let's say, under 500 bucks. That's right, guys, under 500 bucks. And I may just use it for personal parties. You know, I don't know, I'm gonna experiment with it and see where it goes. But let me show you what I got so far to get started with this project. So, biggest thing that I found out is the pot. You know, I've did some research on doing, you know, 160 quart pot. I've called companies that spin stainless steel and that kind of thing, and everybody's telling me it's about 2 grand to get a pot made or to buy a pot. That's 160 quart. This is a 80 quart Hobart mixing bowl is what this is. You can shop around on your local Facebook, Craigslist, that kind of thing. I happen to got this one off eBay, shipped to my house for 195 bucks, and it's basically like new. It's a heavy duty, it's a real Hobart mixing bowl. Now some of these are made in China. This is a real one. I mean, it weighs about 50 pounds. It's very heavy, and I just got lucky with shipping and everything. I made a guy an offer. He took my offer on eBay, and I did really well, I believe. I also got an old turkey fryer. We're gonna use the burner out of this. This has a 20 PSI adjustable gas regulator in there. Now, I know I'm gonna have to get some copper and that kind of thing, and then build a pilot light system, but I'll show you guys how I do that when we get going on this. This I've had for years. I got it from a rummage sale for like 20 bucks. So, you know, I can count that, I suppose. The steel, I'm doing a steel frame setup. I got 48 feet of this 1.5 inch tubing. It's a little heavier than I wanted to use. It's about 1/8 inch. I got this from a guy, he was starting a project to build a trailer or something, and I got it for 70 bucks. So, I mean, I got a real good deal on all this tubing. I also got some wheels here, casters and stuff. Look at the price on that. Let me turn that around there. $3.50. These are really heavy duty. I'm hoping they're strong enough for this. I got two swivels, and I got 2 solids. And then I picked up 4 of these steel hinges. I think I got these for like $2.50 a piece at a local fleet store. These ones I can just weld on. So, you know, there's a lot more I need, obviously. I think I'm gonna enclose this with either aluminum, like a diamond plate or something like that, or I don't know. I want to control it so it ain't so hot for me to use to cook. That's the biggest thing with these, is getting hot. You're popping in the summertime and things get hot. Let me turn this camera back around. Yes, I'm using my cell phone. My other camera still, I got it in storage. I gotta get it out and get the batteries charged up. But I just wanted to start this project and bring you guys along, see where I'm at with it. But I really feel I can build this whole unit for under 500 bucks, not counting a sifting table. There's so many different things you can use for that. But you know, who knows what I'm gonna do with it. I might just experiment with it. Maybe I'll start doing it on the weekends to make a buck or two. I got some access to some very populated areas, let's say during the summer months. Canoe rental places and camping areas. I got a piece of property I have access to that's commercial that I possibly can set up on them. I don't know. We'll see what it goes with that, with the health department, commissary, all that kind of stuff. That's another video. But you know, I'm always looking for new adventures and always trying to make a buck. So anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, like and share my videos. I would appreciate it. Stay tuned for lots more videos to come. So remember, I love doing it yourself and saving a buck. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. You guys have a nice day, and we'll talk to you soon. Man, I can't wait to pop me some kettle corn, and it's gonna be good. Can't wait, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.